machi na no den pa na Ghana ka se Mexico for no be wie ba to man fa wan chen mienu na me ni da ho krepa nya sam ketwa coach Chris Uti man for hase e bono so boza chairman coach Chris money na ho sansa de ade ne kono ye sheda hunsu ye encha afko no ba de o ya hu de boy Chris first half for the Ghana ade akama ye bo modern second half na se ka ye Mexico for mo mo so kakra man ya so ye she but small of men for ogusu hwe team no gidi se next game against USA ne ye betima boy juma pa na ayasa park ne so ye sheda nim so ye Mexico for nim park ne so chen.
We knew we were up against a very good Mexican team playing at home on a surface that they're used to. So we knew it was going to be tough opposition. I thought in the first half period we coped well, even though we didn't create the amount of chances that we would have liked to have done, but I think we had reasonable good control of the game. So I'm not too unhappy. You know, I felt we could have perhaps produced a little bit more in the final third, a few more goal scoring opportunities, but I think taking everything in the circumstances into account, I thought we did okay in the first half period. The problem was in the second half period where a Mexican team upped the tempo of their game. You know, they're a very good side and they press well, they're very sharp players, and we struggled to cope with the intensity of their game in that second half period. And I thought both the goals that we conceded, I think from our point of view, were two poor defensive goals. And then it becomes an uphill battle. And I think we rallied around a little bit. And I think in that final period of the game, I think I saw good effort from the players in trying to get back in the game. But I think from that stage, it was going to be very difficult.
Ose baby adua na na afa pese yasan baba ke be bonde na no be den waji tu ahia ho be da baba coach Chris Uti ne nsam ode atudwa no ye hwa say ye next game ye ne USA 4 de be pem so ebenada entika hia ne so sa fa me no ka say no Ghana right na touch down kurada da ye hwa ni mo say bibia be koye Tennessee ho na Ghana right na kwakodu America mamoni life de mo bobi na so sere ano ye hwa say US ne be fa na say fa me ne krabia ne be kire entika ne so fa me Joseph Edu de wapra Anti-Samachi want to me Ensia can fama on my Ghana Penny4 Etrasidi Chasano Edu Fanadia Abdul Hamidu Emrai Nomra Meshim Nabi Biantimi Quality no say Abdul Hamidu na Penny4 Ton Safreno say a Oma Katim no not a second international friendly against US no or so bet to me Abu Binabi Biantimi Ako yeah Narasan and Chanisu Esiatia Enra Anna Quambia son or Coco Can when the Asian so bit my training na yet my Boramuna Obenya Biabo so Yabi Moswa and Menen Crapia na Bachelor Abdul Hamidu Fatao or Tibno anya some get to accredit and listen in some associate no coming dear team a cocoa friendly match and one DC United 4 bomber a camp you know team back on to a feet this year media camp I can't a Black Stars home edition so from a local player back or can Black Stars home and on listen in some associate or Black Stars home after the game the air cost Abraham Kuru Tennessee nano yet the brand new international sports speak too so yeah can national teams not catching the women and a 20 team no airport qualifiers for the World Cup where pass USA moto ya na Western and City na Ghana nya bre papa say bet makosa World Cup ibi na say be kwose enko na say qualifiers hold right up on the team kire bobre na second leg of the qualifiers here Chigini Bissau Shakra Sports Stadium airport mo come and someone to me ante na no yakobom 3 and ya say be choma show mo 3 je kan bo mo 6 go for Sadia ya choma ho mo ho aba mo coach you see Basigene coach Manipadma Ghana the 20 team no and when say to just say anybody abedi no am I na bobo I am bobo say hand your ma wie say next game against Eswatini no so say you me feel World Cup on your pest yako when they prepare kwam.
I will say that the Guineans came with an impression of playing defensively so that they will not concede many goals. So tactically, first half I would say that they were well organized by frustrating our team. So we could not find our rhythm until the second half. We spoke to the girls to have patience and play, just to have open play so that we can get the needed goals. Because in the first half we were in a hurry to score, and I think that it worked to perfection in the second half.
Way any coach you see Basigi, Ninsamo de Tuja after saying Niama Koye, Adema the Black Princesses of Ghana. Yegusudio Machi, Erasana Maunsi Sinibesiako, likes of Ameyamone, Mariam Ponsam United me, boy, money need to part of Magana, yet to me Aboramu Yasabi Piabe to me Akoya. Now Rasan and Shani City, Africa, dear, as a Gidiana 20 Mudio, any GD, any Chuebesho, any Chuebesho pa. Nakes and Rinsan and Samu Suisia, Ghana Yashanimo. Me acquire next round against Eswatini. Eswatini, dear. Yabashom. I Swatini, dear, no baby. And when and on some pro nano pay. What is sports page 1 live on Adom 106.3 FM. Yefiamano and one summer Yanko Pimo, the Ghanaian Premier League, Muna Yanshe, Sunny one summer call match day 5, none other fee, and a shall say Kumasi Babaya Sports Stadium, Matema Kumase, Asante Kotoko, Jana Socha, Jana South Bonacabaqua, a Jana to me ante Carlo Watara, Wasashiko, and Yamakoto Compato, Nanny Birthday. One Korean was my birthday or Nitipimo Panay. Abacha, Diana for her, no. Now, Ponkram will be a good few. I got compared to any biddy at any idea. Now, no near point, ya champon. 1 year quote, Jimmy Diana, Charlie, no credit, man. So.
Very disappointed because, especially in the first half, to me, it wasn't a good game at all in the first half. But I think we came back strongly in the second half, knowing that we can equalize or do something, but we couldn't come. I'm a little disappointed. I think football has been like that. Sometimes you have bad day in office, so we'll go back and strengthen our team. We'll strengthen the team for the next game.
Way and someone coach at champion the two just say we will strengthen our team for the next game. You ever heard Sunday no so say Besiako 1 year and you share now. Prosper Netiogum 1 year coach Pani Padma Matema not in someone to just in Nyaje. The Nyaje passed the Ochrom training no almost just was Siani idea. Come on. Naniswa Jedi Amakalo Watara pass or Bev you go say.
I'm proud of the boys for their consistent performance. The way we played in Accra, they've been able to reproduce the same performance. And for Kalu, it's a good birthday gift for himself. Today is his birthday, and I'm proud of him. Good showpiece, that is his trademark, and he used it when the opportunity came. They have to believe in what we have taught them at training and keep practicing it. It's all about the application on the field. So, we'll keep practicing our training grounds, and when we get it, we'll keep instructing them to keep the structure and keep the movements within the structure so that if the opportunity comes, we can score out of that.
Coach Prosper Netiogum, Coach Pani de Masante Kotoko, and somebody to get twice so many dano, also Yana Coronation Park before a feed the normal rough for qua. 1 year be out, drop the Abakwaje na or that way. Petri, Bibiani Gold Stars, Timiko Pimo, Alcoquania draw, Bibiani form first draw of the season. Away near, away Mokwani Sham, where dear, Omutmiko draw, our Coronation Park, Nanya Sam Ketakra, now from Poman, so a coach Dima, I before not this, I'm to Jaga Chale, now much in the morning.
Oh, I think we did well. For me, looking at where we are coming from and then looking at the kind of oppositions that we've been meeting, I think we played well. We played well. Because Babiani, they are a very strong team. They have a very experienced midfield. You know, at any point in time, you could see they pose a threat. So for me, a draw is better than getting nothing. So for me, I think for me, it's okay.
Coach from Pomanson, why coach the man? Now, what is about to just and says, it's okay. Now, Okopium the Kum just came watching Nations FC Fear Bonabako, Emmanuel Sapon, a go near the point of Golden City Park. Sounds like I work. Legon City's Nibe Chem game on the year 1-1, and Frank Country, Eshadima, Legon City, and Asamaku for Shadima Bechem, and a point, Tamale. Ati uche Karola Bonakami and Sakarola Timumi and Weka and Kaya Broken Pan, the Marchi for Naso Yamisi Behermwa, Omotiminia 3-2 win, no, I just say a year, Usa Fie and a share, and the Marchi for Sabantin and Roma, dear House of Usa Fino, Hadripa. And say Sports Arena Patwa, Summer Testina Fiat Dreams Bonakami, Dream sent to me and Babamu Samon a share go Nima, a year, Summer Testina Fisono, a year, and na, ye training Great Olympics, and a Car Lions, Beppo was a Accra Sports Stadium. Only F4 appointment this season past and say so far one more meeting and the American Carlans bet Masanya au galeli moi nanke sa to folk ni out of France the boy near Wafa Park now so side game near 2 at the shed and say and so ewa kwaso ma bongra mu a chese nsu na no de nkura wo nsu na no nyina obi ati nti so kwa fa yiri tina ha so fokuntumi nko seka players ni betime swimi kakra dia ke ko ball ne sa but players ni nim swimi to want me ndware anko am yanko ball no so kwa fa ti out of lines out of game no ye tu aseda mediama ni so atreman eno so mediama fo kwa bro chire afi na o ma wi am aba a chese ye nim sam ni so atreman game no so ye de be pem so na bibia so atreman koye ti wey ene de yakọ so one ma ye de won sam so ebra ne live on Adom 106.3 shade so mame teburu no ze die jai samates ahira be dikan e won 9 points but for beto so mienu won 9 ai but for beto so mienu won 9 and Legon City to so mien sound 6 no 8 points mum Asante Kotokoto so e 9 e 8 points Legon City sa chase yi but winning mienu and wale suba kwadro mienu now Kotoko e 8 points to so 9 or hono me numne so Atreman with 7 points and of course Bibiani Gold Stars Diwa with 7 and Brekum Chelsea Diwa with 7 Accra Get Olympics was 6 and now was Shabako 9 and Adriana Stars in Sia Karela was 5 points Accra Lions was 5 Dream Selves was 5 Nation Selves was 4 Pando Out of Lions was 4 Mediama was 4 and Accra so folk now 4 and we table no so where the Ghanaian Premier League on sama ya dey pro na no play live on Adom 106.3 FM. Time na bukof enti yemfa nwa na anwumre pa de yaka atudwa de ma Euro 2024 qualifiers na gusu kwaso a me no ka se bia qualify na Spain for qualify ko na Scotland so qualify ko dada ai okopie mu e wo ye group B so France for qualify fi oko on maka no fanya mo ho so bi betima ba na group C eden England Italy mu nyina ho no mo bia qualify he ye be head ya won besi akọ Turkey qualify and Turkey qualify Belgium so qualify Euros qualifies no they are no Portugal so qualify Ronaldo mu yadwuma no akesa nya sam keto akranti wey ane sane en sam no city e wo ho a ye de won sam so Ratcliffe no United no beje esan se shake na twene ho afim this carton pada beba no abaji team na ye na say Glazers no ya mo ante sa team mu nya kele kite mu ton team na ya mo yasamako oh dabi that's how you are watching pork we finish them na shina just say jemu keke so enkofu twam poa munya team sell boy anyima me nhia afac ni bx tablets can when you some buy MTN everywhere you go my MTN app no aba what are you talking about come on and a DBS Industries Limited so dey sia konkonsa abodan so DBS Industries Limited minua Daniel Ampoma Bono na ye the owner and CEO of ADB Furniture. Yes, ADB Furniture. He said I don't there be ade eja Ghana. Bedu January na aka 21 citizens in Ghana. Mr. Daniel Ampoma, happy birthday going to you. Who are looting to see our UK motom ho. Nyamisha onto konem bibia da wakoma so bi nyame nyama in the name of God the Father, the Son and the Holy Spirit. Obi man so awo no. Bible say baby ado na be sino de ho nyina be chawo. Nyame fa looting chawo. Ate Yamisha pa happy birthday minia Yamisha abusanyure ya betena se sports page 2 abaya na wo de nankasa kan Kegyiwa ne ho Eric Asiedu Boadi ya sorry so ya besen